Guys, happened again. Enzyme. I just made $13,000. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for $19 and we put a sell order at 44, guys. 130% profit. Like I mentioned before, my software calculate volume spike plus buyer power. I got a signal off of this pump 2 days ago right here. You see this volume spike right here? So I got the signal on October 20 and I shared this trade in the private list on October 21. Trade Crypto members made 130%. Guys, now let's talk about Bitcoin. On the weekly chart, guys, you see this line here, it's called RSI. Let me make this thing here bigger so you can like maximize. You see this is the RSI, but it just broke down this line. This line is support of the RSI. The RSI divergence is bullish, but just break it down, that means bearish. By the way, if you don't know what to do, don't do anything. Wait for my call. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. Okay? Now, on the trade recap today, like I mentioned before, let's go to the private list. We talk about 745% profit, guys. Like I mentioned, we made 130% right here on enzymes plus dForce, LavaX, and Dogechain, guys. Look how much profit we just made. We talk about a lot of money to be made. Guys, if I made $75,000, you can make the same profits I do. Just follow my trades. That's all you gotta do. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. You already know. If you want to get a free trade platform, reach me out. tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. And good weekend, by the way.